Hey guys, this is Chris with C&L Collectibles. Hope everybody's doing all right tonight. Had a good Saturday. Getting ready to do some box breaks tonight. Got two coming up. We got two boxes of Clear Vision and two boxes of Strata. Gonna give just a few minutes in case people are still getting logged on or something. While we're doing that, just let me say I'm trying to get some kind of update, Apple update on my computer, and it keeps giving me internet problems. Kind of pre-show here, I got bumped off several times. If we get bumped off, just hang loose and I will get right back on and we'll take right back off. I'll try to keep a good eye on that, but it's working good right now, so far so good. Got a good mix of returning people tonight plus some new people. For you new guys, appreciate y'all joining us. I got an eBay store set up early last week. You guys go check it out. I think I got it all organized and working now. Be sure to follow me on eBay so you can see all the great stuff we list. We got some Super Bowl cards on there. You guys need some of those for your collection. Got them on there $14.50, no shipping. Trying to branch out a little bit into some basketball and some baseball. Been looking at some lots this weekend. I won't take the time to go through all these, but autos and patches, about 50 of them. We're going to try to get them listed up on the site, get them posted on the store, so check them out. And any cards that are left over from the break, we usually put up. Got some cool die-cast collectible stuff too. Here's a great little piece, very heavy car, well built. Everything on it works, opens up, great detail in there. You can see as the wheels turn, the steering wheel turns. Hood opens up, plug wires. Very nice piece. Got that on there for $19.99. So yeah, check out my store and see all the great stuff we got listed. Follow me so you can see other things we post. While I got you guys, we'll run down for the week here. Last night we broke two boxes of Playbook and two boxes of triple threads and two boxes of platinum. Pulled some real great cards, and we'll take a minute and show you some of those in just a second. Tonight we're going to do the Clear Vision first, break number 42. Right after that we'll do the two boxes of Strata is break number 43, and at 8 o'clock we'll come back on and do a 5-box mixer. Tomorrow night we've got a vintage pack break. It's cards from 90, 91. It's 22 packs. There's 11 different varieties, 2 packs of each variety. Still got several spots open on that, listed at 99 cents. Good cheap way to get in on some great old cards and add to your collection. On order, we've got 2016 Leaf Ultimate Draft. They're making less than 300 cases of those. I got a couple cases coming to me, so hopefully they'll be in next Friday. I'll get them listed. Tonight as we do these, of course we're recording it. We'll upload all the videos to YouTube. I'll send links out to everybody so you guys can watch it whenever you get time. Watch it over again, whatever. As we pull cards are going to go to the team listed on the card, not necessarily the uniform. So sometimes those don't match. Whatever team is printed on the card, that's what we're going to go with. And multiple ownership will be decided at random.org. We'll randomize it 5 times, and whoever's on top on the 5th time gets the card. And for you guys that have broke with me in the past, normally we say something about majority ownership. Had a little bit of an issue with that last night. I've talked to the buyer. I think everything's cool, but it's bugging me like crazy. What I meant by majority ownership was if, say for example, it's a triple threats card, there's 2 Titans and 1 Colt, then the Titans would get it. It could also be understood that majority ownership means if you bought 2 spots that are listed on the card, then you would own more of the card and you would get it. So anyway, I talked to a couple of my buddies. They told me I was an idiot. I'm doing it wrong. So I apologize, dude. I'm going to hook him up. Not sure with what yet, but something nice will be coming to him for my mistake. And in the future, we won't worry about majority ownership. Just if you're on the card, you get put in the randomization, and we go from there. So right before we open these boxes, I want to show you guys some cards we pulled last night. Got some real nice ones. Here's the David Cobb booklet. It's not an autograph, but it is the first one off the line. That's a nice card. Got a good low number, triple threads, 5 out of 75. It's in this case. Trust me, 5 out of 75. We got a 15 out of 18. Some good low number cards, a 21 out of 36 for the Packers. Here's a 18 out of 50. So if you guys didn't get in, nice looking auto, number 33 out of 50 for the Lions. Got a real nice Buffalo Bills patch. Here's a sweet Washington Redskins refractor. Looks like it's got disco lights on it. And then our two big hits of the night will be shipping out. We got an active 8 we pulled. Winston, Mariota, Cooper, Williams, Gurley, White, Parker, Gordon. Nice looking card. And then we pulled a nice 6 signature auto in the Platinums, numbered 3 of 10. So if you guys don't have any playbooks or triple threads, you need to get in on them. We're pulling some good cards on them. So anyway, let's get started on our cards here. It's about 5 after 7. Should have everybody here. Let's come in. Let's run down our buyers list. This is 2015 Panini Clear Vision 2-box break number 42. It's March 19th, 2016. We started at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. We got Boliu 2012-1981 new breaker with us. Welcome you in. Got the Cardinals and the Falcons. Got a resident breaker with us, Bove Paul, getting his usual spot of the Bills. Got Pete Costain 0 with the Panthers. Welcome him back. Boliu 2012-1981's got the Bears. Hercules Chesty is coming in, new breaker, 2 spots. Broncos, Packers. Glad to have you. Ada Fish has got the Lions. Welcome him back. Ernest Halleck has got the Patriots, the Raiders. Skip down to the Chargers and Buccaneers. Long time breaker with us. Glad to have you tonight. Here's another new breaker. Jose Nuno 23. He's got the Rams. Pete Costain's got the Seahawks. 7 Foot Assassin's got the Redskins. And Lindsay 2004's got the Titans. If you guys are looking on how to buy our breaks, you can search on eBay C and L Collectibles 2015, and that's spelled out C-A-N-D-L Collectibles 2015, and check out my eBay store. I don't have many. I've got 1 vintage break listed right now, but we hope to list some more. We're kind of wrapping up the breaks we had listed, but we will definitely be listing some more, and we got some great autos and stuff listed, so check us out there. All right, let's go with the Clear Vision, and then we'll go through the buyers list on the Strata. Each Clear Vision has 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 3 cards in each pack. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's just start out right here. It's pack number 1. Alright, good luck everybody. Let's see, get my blank card here so we can see them. Alright, first up is Julio Jones for the Falcons. Got a clarity card for Chris Carter with the Vikings. And Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Let's see. Let's scoot these back a little bit so everybody can see them. Alright, pack number 2. Nick Foles with the Rams. Come on, baby, focus. Got a clear shots Barry Sanders for the Lions. Good looking card. And Buffalo Bills, Sammy Watkins. Alright, that's pack number 2. I like the team vision cards these guys have. Keep hoping we'll pull the Titans out. For you new breakers, the returning breakers probably already know this, but Lindsay 2004 is my daughter. She gets all the Titan spots when we got into box breaking. Andy Dalton with the Bengals. Nelson Aguilar with the Eagles. Come on, baby. And last up, Deion Sanders for the Falcons. All right. Pack number 4. Got Kurt Warner for the Rams. Brandon Oliver. Orange card, sophomore standouts for the Chargers. No number on it. And Wes Welker for the Chargers, a rookie revision. Come on, Welker. All right, pack number 5. First up's the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Next up's the Lions, Amir Abdullah. Pulled a nice auto of him last night in Platinums. Jerick McKinnon for the Vikings. Alright, last pack in the first box. Here's our hit. Get out of there. See, we got first up's RG3 for the Redskins. Next base card is going to be Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. And the hit out of this box is going to be Lynn Dawson going to the Kansas City Chiefs. Nice patch card, and that is numbered 14 out of 99. Lynn Dawson on the Chiefs. Did anybody have the Chiefs tonight? No, nobody had the Chiefs. Somebody bought the Chiefs in the 5-box mixer later on. That's actually the first Chiefs spot I've sold. So, all right, let's move on to box number 2. Pack number 1. Trash out of the way. All right, first up, T.Y. Hilton with the Colts. Next up's a clarity card, Tamba Hali for the Chiefs. And Derek Carr for the Raiders. Right. Box 2, pack 2. These things are hard to get open. I don't really like doing that. I'm always scared I'm going to scratch somebody's card. Alright, all about the Chiefs, I guess. Jamal Charles. Next up, we got a clear shot Steve Young for the 49ers. And Reggie Bush, rookie revision for the Saints. Alright, pack number 3, box number 2. There's another blank. So we got an Alfred Morris for the Redskins. Max Williams, Ravens. And Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. And another blank. Okay. Alright, pack number 4, box number 2. First up, Patrick Peterson for the Cardinals. Got a blue Thurman Thomas for the Buffalo Bills, numbered 43 out of 99. Buffalo Bills. And we got a Mike Evans, sophomore standout. All right, pack number 5. All right, we got Sam Bradford, Eagles. Jeremy Langford for the Bears. And a rookie revision, Justin Forsett for the Seahawks. All right, the last pack in tonight's clear vision break, and then we'll move on to the Stratas. All right, first up, Eddie Lacy, Packers. Next up, Trey Mason for the Rams. Nice clear cloth for the Raiders. Good low number, 6 out of 25. Nice fat patch stitching. Run right through the middle of it. Black and gray. Derek Carr. Raiders. Come on, baby. All right, that's it for the clear vision. Appreciate you guys joining us. Hang around and watch the Stratas, and come back later on and check out the 5-box mixer if you're not in it. And like I said, follow me on eBay, and I hope to see you on another break. So yeah, let's move on to the Stratas. So next up, 2015 Top Strata 2-box break, number 43. Come on, baby. Try to get it to focus so you can read it. There we go. Guess my big head was blocking the light. Alright, 2015 Top Strata 2-box break number 43. It is still March 19th. This is part of the break that started at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. We got Jose Nuno, 23. He's got several spots, starting out with the Cardinals. Glad to have you back on this break. MJVIVWA32's got the Ravens. New breaker with us. Glad to have you. Jose Nuno 23's got the Bills and the Panthers. Got Boss_time with the Bears. Glad to have you with us. Jose Nuno 23, back-to-back Cowboys and Broncos. Got Packers and Texans as well. Boss time coming back around for Colts. Gamecock Neal's, I think it's been on every single break I've done. It's got the Jaguars. Red Dog Martin's been on almost all my breaks. Got the Dolphins. Jose Nuno 23 with the Saints and the Giants. Andy's Daddy 1981's got the Raiders. Brand new breaker with us. Glad to have you. VW Wolf Eyes 2015's a long-time breakers. Got the Steelers. Glad to have her tonight. Boss Time's got the Rams. Gamecock Neal's got the Seahawks. Boss Time's got the Buccaneers. Lindsay 2004's got the Titans. And A. Halleck 75's got the Redskins. Glad to have you back, A. Halleck. They pulled the sweet refractor last night for the Redskins. That belongs to A. Halleck. Be shipping that out Monday. So, all right, guys. Strata, 2 boxes. There's 2 cards in each box. We'll open both boxes up and then open both packs. One box, 1 pack. You see they're getting 1 clear-cut rookie autograph patch and 1 Strata autograph card in each box. The good thing about breaking boxes like Platinums and Valors, or last night every single person in the break got a card. Unfortunately with these there's only 4 cards, so good luck to everybody. Let's see what we got. Alright, first up, oh, he's got a little piece of paper on him. First up is Bryce Petty auto, and that is numbered 171 out of 600. Bryce Petty for the New York Jets. And next up is Mike Davis for the San Francisco 49ers, rookie card. See if I can get it to focus good. Mike Davis for the 49ers. All right, pack number 2. Well, these go quick. All right, first up is Tevin Coleman, number 613. What have I got going on here? 613 out of 800. 613 out of 800. Tevin Coleman autograph for the Atlanta Falcons. I said that other one was out of 600. It wasn't out of 800, was it? No, yeah. Okay. First one was out of 600. This one's out of 800. And our next auto hit is a David Johnson, Cardinals. And this one is numbered 40 out of 50. No, 48 out of 50. David Johnson auto patch, 48 out of 50 for the Arizona Cardinals. All right, guys, that's it for our breaks. First round of breaks tonight. We got a 5-box mixer coming up at 8 o'clock. If you're not in it, feel free to come back and watch it with us. And follow me on eBay and keep an eye out for my next set of listings next week. Thanks, guys. See ya.